So, hi everybody. In this episode I show you one of my latest item, which is some years in the future probably also going into the museum, and this is a hammer drill from Bosch. So the package looks like this. Let's see what's standing here. So this is Bosch Professional GBH 328 DFR with 800 watt and SDS drills. So let's see what's in the package. Comes not so much. This is machine, so you can still hold it comfortably in one hand. Here you can control the speed. Then we have left and right. And we can here switch between drilling and the hammer. Here is the SDS head. And as a bonus, we have also here a classical head delivered with it, which you may need for ordinary drills. So let's have a look at the drills, which I also bought. These are some SDS drills. 5mm, 6, 8 and 10. So how are we going to open this? Strange how you're going to open this. It's not working. Let's see. So here is the manual to open it, but when you press this down, it doesn't work. So strange. Okay, now we have it. So plug it in here, then it goes open very nicely. So let's have a look at this. This is the way to fix it. Yes, and now let's see, hear better to speak, how the sound of this machine is. So this is just drilling. And now I switch to hammer. Now I switch to hammer drill. Okay, so I hope I have some fun with it.